And welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a CVS haul with a holiday glam, some mom hair. It's snowing inches and inches and inches outside right now, you guys. So I've got 1, 2, 3 shirts on. I'm trying to like keep my hair frizzless, so I put it up and it was still frizzy. So then I braided it up and it's kind of still frizzy. So gave up on that whole idea. But this I am enjoying for a very extravagant holiday look. Keep on watching for some awesome CVS deals. Keep on watching. And if you guys like me, like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to hit the bell to be notified, go for it. If not, I upload every Tuesday and Friday. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. Well, first things first, and that is 75% off Halloween goodies. We got Twizzlers. We got pink lemonade Jolly Rancher sticks. We got real Jolly Rancher sticks. You guys, I love these. I remember when these came out when I was a kid and you would just die every time you got these for Halloween. I got some now. I also snagged me 3 wigs. They were like $2 and some change. I got a cute little blonde one, little bob. Got a nice black one. I have another black one, but it's got red in it, so I was like, hey, this one's just black. And this one is a gray silver ombre. Fancy. But seriously, you guys, they were $9 and got them for, like I said, a couple of bucks. I also stocked up on my favorite blending brushes by e.l.f. These are $1. It says right on there, blending eye brush. It's kind of round and circular, if you can tell. $1 each. I have like 6 now. And then I also grabbed this one. It's more of like a slender blending brush, and this one was $3, but totally worth it. They work great. Not all of us can afford the James Charles palette and the brush set. I'm hoping maybe Christmas I'll go get it. Alright, now I'm going to start putting some makeup on while I go through some more of the products that I've gotten, because I want to start with this concealer by JOAH Cosmetics. You see they have like a little end section at CVS now. But I've got their, it is called Truly Yours Full Coverage Concealer. You guys, it really is full coverage. She does a good job. A little bit goes a long way with this concealer too. Just that little dab is plenty for my 2 eyeballs. So JOAH, it says here, it is inspired by K-Beauty, which I believe, come at me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's Korean beauty. So yay, we know that that's good for the skin probably. Alright, my eyes are prepped, so I'm going to go ahead and throw on some black eyeshadow, and I'll be right back. As I said, I would be applying some black eyeshadow. Okay, so next we'll talk about the MILANI Stay Put eyeliners. I've got 2 new ones that just came out with like a holiday collection, and they are called Metallic Lights. This one is in blue, and this one is in, it's called Stardust, I believe. And then I've also got it in black, which I'm going to sharpen and then do my waterline. which you guys don't need to see that nasty. So I'll be right back. You guys see how pretty that starlight is? Oh my gosh, I love it. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, that liner, she is beautiful. Again, that is the new Metallic Lights eyeliner in the shade Starlight. It's just like that. She's gorgeous. Hey guys, I'm going to do my face real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to be trying out the JOAH concealer under my eyes. I have not used this under my eyes yet. So we shall see how she does. I like it because it feels thick, but not too thick. It's reminding me a lot of Shape Tape, honestly. It really, really does. Which that's saying something because nothing else has even come close to reminding me of Shape Tape. See how quickly that blends out? I'm just setting my face with my Fit Me by Maybelline. There was a plane going by, or there was a train going by, so I just got started without y'all. I'm just setting the whole face now. Alright, don't mind my red neck. I forgot that I didn't blend my foundation that I put on my neck, so I had to blend a little aggressively. Get them shiny ass ears. I'm going to bronze and contour, which I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, so nothing new. But I wanted to try this new Burt's Bees Overnight Lip Treatment. It's like a lip mask. Pepperminty. It's your usual Burt's Bees flavor. Speaking of Burt's Bees, you guys, I grabbed one of my favorite lip masks. It's very cheap feeling when you get it out of the package. It's like a piece of paper that just like, it doesn't look good, but it works really good. So if you guys want to check that out, Burt's Bees lip mask, they work. When you get out of the package, don't be shook, because I was. Alright, when I return, I will be much more warm. Ding. Feeling very bronzed and beautiful. And we're going to go in with my, she's so small, Fit Me by Maybelline tiny little blush. And this is the shade Plum. Okay, moving on to more Physicians Formula. I know, but I have really been digging some of their products, not all of them. I would say like 25% of their products I'm kind of in love with. Butter bronzers, yes, and then I recently bought this little baby. It is their highlighter, butter highlighter, and this is in the shade Champagne, which is a really pretty gold. And then I also, because I liked it so much, I went ahead and got the Pearl shade, which is like a real nice white pearl. And then I got this shade, which is, I believe is the Rose Gold. Yes, Rose Gold. Alright, so for today I actually want to use the Rose Gold shade. And I'm going to use the biggest fluffy brush that I have for my eyes. Swirl it around and, oh, she's nice. I think when you're like me and you've got a really small features on your face, like I've got really small features on my face, not a lot of space to put all this highlight and everything else. So for me, like I have to use this tiny little brush if I want it to not just go everywhere. And then, where is it? I'll take my beauty blender, press it in, baby. This gets rid of the texture that you can get sometimes when you're using a highlighter, at least with this one. And most of them, if I press it into my skin, goes right in like a gem. You don't lose the glow, you lose the texture. And my phone is blowing up. Feeling really juicy right now, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna finish off my bottom eye. We'll just turn that off. Alright, I'm gonna take my little 88-cent Wet n Wild brush and press this onto the bottom line. Swipe or no swiping. You know me, my eyes is on water. 88 cents, you guys. What drives me crazy is that you can buy a brush for 88 cents. You know, but Morphe wants me to pay $100+ for a brush set. Give you like 100 of these. And before I forget, because I kind of do all the time, let me do my inner corner highlight. We're going to use the Physicians Formula highlighter in Pearl. I've got these new lashes from CVS. They are called Ardell Double Up. And they're in the shade, they're in the style 201 Black. Alright guys, lashes are on. I put a couple of little gems up on there. You know what I'm saying, it's Christmas, so I can do whatever I want. And we are gonna go in with Jeffree Star's Red Rum liquid lipstick now. And I'm gonna throw on a little bit of Craft Sparkles on top to give it a very Christmassy, glimmery look. I know, right? Jeffree Star, I love your products. Did you guys see Patrick Starr's new collection coming out in the beginning of December? And that's how you make a statement. Guys, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this holiday look and this CVS haul. And I can't wait to crack these open and have some delicious Christmas in my mouth. Oh wait, I already have Christmas on my mouth.
See you guys on Tuesday.